Want to speak real Arabic from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ArabicPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I am Pirhan and this is Arabic Top Words. Today we're going to learn about the must-know expressions for agreeing and disagreeing. So let's get started. معك كل الحق. I couldn't agree with you more. معك كل الحق. I couldn't agree with you more. In the Arabic version, literally it says you have all the right. This is for agreeing, but for disagreeing you can say لا ما عندكش حق. لا ما عندكش حق. No, you're not right. أنا مش متأكدة. I'm not sure. أنا مش متأكدة. I'm not sure. And also you can use ما ظنش. I don't think so. طبعا. Of course. طبعا. Of course. You can also say أكيد. Indeed. ميتهيألي كده. I guess so. ميتهيألي كده. I guess so. I'm not so sure, but I guess it's this way. ميتهيألي. You can drop the كده, you can put it متهيألي or متهيألي كده. كنت لسه هقول كده. I was just going to say that. كنت لسه هقول كده. I was about to say that. You can also say كانت على طرف لساني. كانت على طرف لساني. It was on the tip of my tongue. It was on the tip of my tongue. Right here. أنت غلطان. You're wrong. أنت غلطان. You're wrong. أنت غلطان مش كده. You're wrong. It was not like that. مش كده also could mean improbable or inappropriate. So you say مش كده. مش كده. This is inappropriate. ممكن. Maybe. ممكن. Maybe. You can say ممكن متهيألي كده. Maybe I guess so. أنا مش موافق. I don't agree. أنا مش موافقة. I don't agree. Or أنا مش موافقة معاك. أنا مش موافقة معاك. I don't agree with you. موافق. I agree. موافقة. I agree. You can say تمام موافقة. Yes indeed I agree. Or أيوة موافقة. أيوة موافقة. Yes I agree. Most of them are in the female form. For guys they would say موافق. أيوة موافق. صح. That's true. صح. That's true. And the opposite is غلط. It's wrong. So you can say أيوة صح. تمام صح. Yes, it's right. Yes, it's true. For example, if someone says it's going to rain today, شكلها هتمطر النهاردة. It looks like it's going to rain today. And you're not so sure, so you can say متهيألي كده. It means I guess so. Or you can say ممكن. Maybe. Or you can say لا أنت غلطان. No, you're wrong. I checked the weather forecast, for example. شفت النشرة الجوية قبل ما أنزل. Or something like that. Egyptians don't really like being so straightforward, just like maybe anyone else. They don't really like being straightforward, so maybe you will not hear people saying أنت غلطان, you're wrong, or no, لأ. For example, if they disagree with you, they will not say أنا مش موافق, unless it's like very sensitive or something. Usually people, instead of saying أنا مش موافق, they will say ممكن, maybe, بس, but, something. So they can, instead of saying لا أنا مش موافق, no I don't agree, they might say أيوة معك حق, yes you're right, بس, but, and they will go on explaining something else. That probably means they don't agree with you. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you liked the lesson. Why don't you tell us in the comments below about your favorite expressions of disagreeing and agreeing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website ArabicPod101.com. Bye bye. Hi everyone, my name is Pirhan and this is Arabic Top Words. Today's lesson is going to be about top 10 questions you should know. اسمك إيه? What's your name? اسمك إيه? Can you guess it? It's what's your name? If you meet someone and you say اسمك إيه? And the guy or the girl will respond with their name and they will say, for example, اسمي بريهان. إزيك? How are you? After this person will say اسمك إيه? They'll probably say إزيك, which means how are you? And you would answer أنا كويسة. أنا كويس. أنا كويسة is for female and أنا كويس is for male. And you can also say الحمد لله, which means thank God. So you can say أنا كويسة الحمد لله when someone asks you إزيك. أنت منين? Where are you from? The third question someone might ask you is أنت منين? which means where are you from? And here you can say where are you from, your country or your city. So for example, someone will ask you انتي منين? And I will answer أنا من مصر, I'm from Egypt. Or أنا من القاهرة, I'm from Cairo. عيد ميلادك إمتى? When is your birthday? The fourth question someone might ask you is عيد ميلادك إمتى? When is your birthday? For example, someone will ask me, I'm a female, so they will ask me عيد ميلادك إمتى? And I will answer عيد ميلادي في يونيو. My birthday is in June. ساكن فين? Where do you live? Another question someone might ask you is ساكن فين? Where do you live? And you might answer specifically your street name or the city where you live. So for example, you can say أنا ساكن في المهندسين. I live in مهندسين, which is a district in Egypt, in Cairo. بتشتغل فين? Where do you work? Another question someone will ask you is بتشتغل فين? Where do you work? And here you can say your workplace, your company's name, and so on. So for example, I will say بشتغل في شركة أدوية. I work for a drug company. تليفونك كام? What's your phone number? Another question is نمرتك كام? Which means what's your phone number? And here you can just say your phone number. نمرتي is 1 2 3 4 5 6. اتعلمت عربي فين? Where did you learn Arabic? People might be amazed, or probably will be amazed at how good you speak Arabic. So probably they will ask you اتعلمت عربي فين? Where did you learn Arabic? And here you should say اتعلمت عربي مع arabicpod101.com. I learned Arabic with arabicpod101.com. Don't forget it. بتحب الأكل المصري? Do you like Egyptian food? Probably people will be curious if you like Egyptian food and they will ask you بتحب الأكل المصري? Do you like Egyptian food? And be honest, Egyptian food is quite delicious, so you will say أيوة بحب الأكل المصري. Yes, I like Egyptian food. Or maybe you want to say مش قوي. Not really. رحت مصر قبل كده? Have you been to Egypt? The next question is رحت مصر قبل كده? Have you ever been to Egypt? And here you can say أيوة, yes, or لأ, no. So that's it for today. Tell us in the comment below which question do you get asked the most and which question would you like to know or learn. And please like this video, subscribe for the channel, and don't forget to visit arabicpod101.com. Bye bye! Hi everyone, my name is Prihan and this is the Arabic Top Words. Today's topic is 10 phrases to amaze native speakers. So let's get started. أقدر أحفظ حوالي 50 كلمة عربي جديدة في اليوم. I can memorize around 50 new Arabic words a day. The first phrase is أقدر أحفظ حوالي 50 كلمة عربي جديدة في اليوم. I can memorize around 50 new Arabic words a day. أقدر أحفظ حوالي 50 كلمة. It's too long, even I cannot memorize it. That sounds tough. Good luck. أقدر أتابع أفلام عربي من غير ترجمة. I can watch Arabic movies without subtitles. The next one is أقدر أتابع أفلام عربي من غير ترجمة. I can watch Arabic movies without subtitles. I think it's amazing to watch Arabic movies without subtitles because, as you all know, Arabic has a standard Arabic and dialect Arabic, and they're so different. So usually all movies are made in the dialect. So if you can listen to the dialect and understand so well without the subtitles, that means that you're very, very good at Arabic. Yeah. أنا بتعلم عربي لوحدي. I'm learning Arabic all by myself. أنا بتعلم عربي لوحدي. I'm learning Arabic all by myself. And this is amazing because Arabic is very difficult. So if you decide to learn it all by yourself, then you're a very smart person. All by myself. أنا فهمت كل اللي أنت قلته. I completely understood everything you said. أنا فهمت كل اللي أنت قلته. I completely understood everything you said. If you can understand native speakers without missing anything out, then you're doing a great job, I suppose. أنا أخدت سنة واحدة بس لغاية ما بقيت بتكلم بطلاقة. It took me only 1 year to become fluent. أنا أخدت سنة واحدة بس لغاية ما بقيت أتكلم بطلاقة. It took me only 1 year to become fluent. And this is amazing, and you can only achieve that by having lots of Egyptian friends you can speak with every day. So you can easily learn Egyptian Arabic fluently. You can speak it fluently in only 1 year or even less. العربي ممتع وسهل في التعليم. Arabic is fun and easy to learn. العربي ممتع وسهل في التعليم. Arabic is fun and easy to learn. And of course, Arabic is fun and easy to learn if you're doing it with us, Arabic Pod 101. أنا مش بس بعرف عربي، أنا بتكلم شوية لغات تانية برضو. Apart from knowing Arabic, I can speak a few other languages as well. أنا مش بس بعرف أتكلم عربي، ده أنا بعرف كمان أتكلم شوية لغات تانية. Apart from knowing Arabic, I can also speak a few other languages as well. For example, English. شكراً ليك، بس هي في الحقيقة مش لغتي الأم. Thank you, but it's not my native language actually. شكراً ليك، بس هي في الحقيقة مش لغتي الأم. Thank you, but it's not actually my native language. أنا بعرف أتكلم عربي بأكتر من لهجة. I can speak Arabic in more than one dialect. أنا بعرف أتكلم عربي بأكتر من لهجة. I can speak Arabic in more than one dialect. For example, I can say شكو ماكو حبيبي. It means how are you or what's up, my love, or حبيبي in Iraqi dialect. أنا بعرف أقرأ عربي كمان. I can also read Arabic. The next phrase is أنا كمان بعرف أقرأ عربي. I can also read Arabic. And if you would like to practice Arabic more, you will most certainly find your favorite books in Arabic translated. And that's it for today. What was your favorite phrase? Can you write it below in the comments? Don't forget to subscribe and comment and visit our website arabicpod101.com. Bye bye. Hi everyone, my name is Prihan and this is Arabic Pod 101. Today we're going to do 15 favorite words chosen by fans. You. أهلا. Welcome. أهلا. Welcome. For example, you can say أهلا إزيك. Hi, welcome. How are you? It's so easy. شكرا. Thank you. شكرا. Thank you. For example, شكرا على الدعوة. Thank you for the invitation. جميل. Nice or beautiful. جميل. It means nice or beautiful. For example, you can say بيتهم شكله جميل. Their house is very nice. Or you can say البنت دي جميلة. This girl is very beautiful. قطة. Cat. قطة. Cat. For example, عندي قطة سيامي. I have a Siamese cat. I wish I could have a cat. مبسوط. Happy. مبسوط. Happy. مبسوط إني شفتك. I'm happy to see you. You. Mother. Mother. For example, كل أم بتتمنى الخير لأولادها. Every mother wishes the best for her children. That's true. مشهور. Popular. مشهور. Popular. المغني ده مشهور جدا. The singer is very popular. For example, عمرو دياب مشهور جدا. عمرو دياب مشهور جدا. عمرو دياب is very popular. حبيبي يا نور العين يا شاغل. رائع. Amazing. رائع. Amazing. So for example, you can say المهرجان كان رائع, which means the festival was amazing. يحترم. To respect. يحترم. To respect. For example, الصغير لازم يحترم الكبير. The young should always respect the elder. سنجاب. Squirrel. سنجاب. A squirrel. Squirrel. أنا عمري ما شفت سنجاب. I've never seen a squirrel. That's true. ماشي. Okay. ماشي. Okay. It means okay. For example, you can say ماشي تعال نتقابل الساعة 7. Which means okay, let's meet at 7 o'clock. And fun fact, usually young people in Egypt don't just use the word ماشي, but they also use the word قشطة. It means cream, but we also use it as a word ماشي. And you can use this word to sound a little more native-like, or if you have lots of Egyptian friends, you will find them using it a lot. عيلة. Family. عيلة. Family. For example, you can say بحب عيلتي جدا. I love my family very much. حبيبي. My love. The next word is probably a word you all know or get to know or learn when you first start Arabic. It's حبيبي, which means my love. We usually use it not only in a romantic way, but we also use it as a friendly or endearment kind of term. So you can say حبيبي to anyone. For example, okay حبيبي, ماشي حبيبي, ماشي حبيبي, قشطة حبيبي. حبيبي يا نور العين يا ساكن خيالي عايشق بقالي سنين. أخت sister. أخت sister. أنا عندي أخت واحدة أصغر مني. I have one younger sister. سعادة happiness. سعادة happiness. For example, you can say السعادة هدف كل إنسان. Happiness is everyone's goal. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you found your favorite word. If you have not found your favorite word, please comment below the one you like the most. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and visit our website, arabicpod101.com. Bye bye.